How to transfer Monday.com boards to different accounts? You can do this in 7 simple steps. 1. Open Monday.com and go to the board you want to transfer. Click on the 3-dot menu in the top right corner. 2. Select More Actions and then click Duplicate Board. This will create a copy of the board with all its items. 3. If you need to transfer the board with automation, make sure to select Duplicate Board with Structure while duplicating. 4. Now invite the user from the other account to your workspace by clicking Invite Members on the top right corner. 5. After the user accepts the invitation, go to Board Permissions and change their access level to Admin. 6. Ask the other user to duplicate the board into their own workspace. This will allow them to have an independent copy. 7. Once the board is successfully transferred, you can remove yourself from the board by clicking Leave Board in the settings.